Brad Show Live. You got a question, I got an answer for you. Give us a call, 1-800-529-5465.
Okay. Hey, Brad.
Hi.
So my question is regarding taxing, IRS proof that I've been paying taxes for the past many years for citizenship.
Mm-hmm.
So my question is, how many years of tax return do we have to show to the IRS? Considering that I've been in the country for a little over 9 years, do I need to show all the 9 years or just the 5 years under?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 years good moral character, 5 years paying taxes.
Okay, so even though I've been in the country and paying taxes for 9 years?
Don't matter. They just want to see the last 5.
Okay, now my next question relating to that is, so is the tax transcript, the return transcript, the document that we have to show, or the account transcript is also fine?
The tax transcript is better because that would show that's an official document.
Okay, then in that case, IRS only has 3 years.
So then bring 3 years and bring what you have for the last 2, and that's fine. You bring what you can bring.
Okay, and it says a certified transcript. Does that mean it has to be stamped by IRS, or the one we print online should be fine?
Stamped by IRS is certified. The one you print online is not.
Oh, okay. Oh, well. Because I called the IRS on this about a couple of times, and they said, and they actually insisted on that the one we print through the account, considered certified, and they don't.
Then it's certified then.
Okay. So it doesn't have to be stamped, or by your experience, does IRS actually stamps or?
In years past, yeah. But maybe because of COVID, they're not allowing you in for stamps anymore. You used to go down there and ask them to print it yourself, and they would put a stamp on it. But maybe because of COVID, they're not doing it anymore.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go to Raz in Dallas.
Hello?
Hi, Raz.
Hi, how are you?
Good. What's going on?
Okay, so I have a question about immigration. My citizenship got denied in 2018. So I will tell you what exactly happened. I entered the United States in 2012. I had a special visa. I was a translator with U.S. Army in Iraq. So I was eligible to get a visa, and I got a green card after 1 week from my arrival. In 2017, I finished my 5th year, and I applied. After I applied, I had a shoplifting case. Unfortunately, something that would never happen again. So when I applied for my citizenship, I didn't have that shoplifting case. But while I finished, from applying that I was waiting for my interview, that shoplifting case happened. So when I had my interview, the N400, the USCIS officer was like, do you have any criminal record or whatever? I was like, yes, I had a shoplifting case 3 months ago. I was on hold, which is in cell for 3 hours, and I bailed myself out. And I was on deferral. So basically the court put me on deferral for 6 months, and they told me, if you finish your time with no problem, it's going to turn like a ticket, and we're going to dismiss your case, so it won't affect your citizenship. So back then, when I had my interview, I was on deferral. So the USCIS officer told me it's going to be immediate deny because you are on deferral. And he was like, file for appeal after that, and we will review your case. So I finished my deferral on December 2018.
Stop.
Yeah.
Okay, let me tell you 2 things. Okay,
yeah.
One, you can't prove good. You have to prove good moral character. You can't prove good moral character if you have an open case. And you had an open case for parole or probation or whatever you were saying that you were on. Yeah. And then at the end of that 6 months, they were dismissing the case. Now, I don't know if this is a rehabilitation statute in Texas that you pled guilty to, or you pled guilty to a diversion program. Do you know what you did?
I don't know because I had a defensive lawyer.
Okay, all right, fine. Yeah. I understand. Okay. So, first of all, when you go on your interview and you have this pending case, you can't prove good moral character. It's the end of the story. Now, you have one shoplifting offense in your entire life. Hopefully, you were in a diversion program, which means it's not even a criminal conviction for immigration. All right, it's over now. I would refile your citizenship again, not appeal. Because by appealing, you're saying immigration made the wrong decision and they made the right decision. So you need to refile again. Now, if it's not, okay, you'll tell me what happened in a second. If it's not diversion program, if it's not diversion program, and it was a rehabilitation statute where you pled guilty and then they took the guilty plea back, it's a conviction for immigration purposes. But even one conviction, petty offense, is still should be okay for good moral character.
Okay, so I will tell you what happened exactly, sir. So I refiled. They call it the administration hearing, which is 336. So I took. It's supposed to be an experienced lawyer, but it sounds like he wasn't.
Well, we already went through that. The appeal was a waste. We already know it was going to be denied. What happened after you?
It was denied.
Of course it did. I told you it was going to be.
Yeah.
What happened after the
5 days
appeal?
ago.
What happened after the appeal?
So I went back to my lawyer. I was like, "You promised me I'm going to win the case."
What happened after the appeal? I don't want to hear your conversation with your lawyer. What did you do?
He said, "Take it to the district court."
All right, stop it already. Didn't we just discuss, and you just said, I know this. I said they made the right decision. Withdraw it and refile again. You now have a good moral character.
Okay, so do I have the right to apply now?
You have withdraw whatever federal appeal you made. You will also lose. You don't have good moral character. At the time you went on that interview in 2018, you had an open case. You're appealing a losing case. What you need to do is stop the bleeding, end it. Refile now. It's 2021. You go 5 years good moral character from 2016 to 2021. I had one arrested. It was either a petty offense or dismissed. That's good moral character.
Okay, so I was also on my deferral on December 18, 2018. They told me 5 years from 2018.
Hold on one second. I'm not having a debate with you. I told you what to do. All right? Do it. Hold on. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.